Hello, I'm Pack 10 from Hong Kong, and here I'm going to demonstrate how I found the answer. So the question 1, the hint is using CloudTrail as the source type. So I filter the CloudTrail, and this is the data. And for example, I expand here. The source type is IAM user, and the username is BSTOLL. So I'm going to count the IAM user, and this is the filter. And here is all the IAM user. The second question is the same hint. So I filter the CloudTrail and I expand it. Here, MFA authenticated false. So I'm going to make a table to see how much false authentication. And here is the filter. And here is all the false record. And the third question, and the hint is using hardware as the source type, and the format is like this one. So I filtered the source type hardware, and this is the result, and I can see this is matching the formats, and this is the answer. For the question 4, the hint is using CloudTrail as the source type, and to search put bucket ACI events. So I filtered it, and then 2 record is out, and this record I expand it. I expanded second record, and here you can see the URI. Here is global, and then all users, and this is the answer, which is public. This is the answer, events ID, and then this one. Question 5, what is the bots username? And same as the last question, here is using the same record, and we scroll down, and here is the type IAM user and username BSTOLL. So, and this is the answer. And for the question 6, the same record we are using, and then we expand it and see the bucket name is this one, and this is the answer. Question 7, the hint is using AWS S3 SSLog as the source type, and we are finding a text file. So here is the filter, source type, and then the filter, txt, because it is a text file. So this is the record, and we can see here is a text file name. So, and this is the answer. And for the question 8, and the hint is using WinHostMon, as the source type, and the format of the answer is like this, and we are finding the operating system. So here is the filter, and then the result operating system, and this is the OS, and we are finding the distinct OS version, and we can see that these two is the same OS, and this one is uniquely OS system version which is the enterprise version. So that this is the answer. The lesson I learned from this investigation is human error is the biggest risk, and one small mistake will lead the data leaks, and I think the company should force the MFA of all accounts, and or maybe block the public S3 buckets, and this is the answer.